Hello, I'm Nahida and welcome to Enoven Foods. Today we are making a mouth-watering dish that's crispy, creamy and full of flavor. Crispy chicken with cheesy sauce. Let's get started. In a bowl, take 1 cup boneless chicken. Add 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and half teaspoon salt. This recipe is inspired by cafe-style snacks but made simple at home. Then add half teaspoon pepper powder and mix again. Always raise the marinated chicken to allow the flavors to develop. Let it rest for 15 minutes. Now let's prepare our coating. In a bowl, add 1/4 cup flour, 1/4 cup corn flour, half teaspoon oregano, half teaspoon chili flakes, 1/4 teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon salt, and 1 tablespoon chopped coriander leaves. Add half cup water and whisk into a smooth slurry. Cornflour gives the chicken a light and airy crispiness. Dip each piece of chicken into the batter, coat oil, and fry in medium heated oil. Make sure the oil is hot enough before trying to avoid soggy coating. Chicken is a great source of lean protein to keep you full longer. Using coriander adds not only flavor but also digestive benefits. Fry for about 5 to 6 minutes or until crispy and golden. Now for the cheesy sauce. Add 1 tablespoon oil. In a pan, melt 1 tablespoon butter. Add 1 tablespoon flour and roast it for 30 seconds. Pour in 1 cup milk. You can always switch to low-fat milk or cheese for a lighter version. Then season with half teaspoon oregano, half teaspoon pepper powder, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon chili flakes, and 1 tablespoon red chili sauce. Stir well and cook until the sauce thickens. Keep whisking the sauce to avoid lumps and get a smooth texture. Add milk gradually if the sauce becomes too thick. Finally add 1 cheese slice and mix until smooth and melty. 1 cheese slice is all it takes to turn the sauce creamy and delicious. Drizzle the cheesy sauce over the crispy chicken and enjoy the ultimate comfort food combo. This dish is perfect for a cozy dinner, family get-together, or even your next surprise cooking. Don't forget to like, share, and follow Enoven Foods for more delicious recipes made easy. See you in the next video. Until then, stay happy and keep cooking with love.